Properly withdrawing money from Upstox is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Withdraw funds instantly to your linked bank account within 15 minutes. Also, there's a 100 to 5 lakh daily limit. Then, transfer funds to your linked bank account within 2 to 3 business days. This involves no daily limit. Now, open the Upstox app or website and log in using your 6-digit PIN or biometrics. Locate the section where you manage your account funds. Then identify the Withdraw or Withdraw Funds button within your Funds section. After that, choose either Instant Withdrawal or Standard Withdrawal based on your preference. Now specify the amount you want to withdraw. Now, ensure the amount is within the permitted limits of your chosen method. Now, select the linked bank account you want to receive the funds. Double-check all information, including amount, bank account details, and fees if applicable. Now enter your PIN or password for confirmation.